Well, what is this lecture about? What is this talk about? I'm going to tell you about a local Florentine legend and how it traveled far beyond the city where it was born. In particular, I will begin by reconstructing the legend and how it circulated in Florence, how it became attached to certain places, to specific streets and buildings of Florence, and how it was repeatedly retold across centuries in poems and novellas and plays and so on. And along the way, we will see how and why this story captured the Florentine, the Italian imagination, and what made it a specifically, especially unconventional story, an unconventional legend. Then in the second part, I will follow the legend as it moves beyond Italy and enters the world of British Romantic writers in the early 19th century. I will tell you about Mary Shelley. You know her well. She is the author of Frankenstein. Encountered this story in Florence. She found it fascinating and she passed it on to her husband, Percy Shelley, and to their common friend and famous writer, Leigh Hunt. Through their poems and plays, this legend was transformed for a new audience. I will conclude by showing how both Percy Shelley and Leigh Hunt were drawn to the legend's unconventional, original aspects, but they felt they had to reshape it a little, that they had to adapt the legend to their public, to their audience, and therefore its most original elements changed a little bit in this history of the legend.